Ever wished you had an extra bag appear out of nowhere? The Travel Blue Folding Large Backpack might just be the answer. This 11-liter bag is designed for those moments when you need more space than you planned for. The main selling point is its foldable design. When not in use, it tucks neatly into its own front pocket, becoming incredibly compact. It's seriously small, making it easy to throw in a suitcase or even a larger purse. Unfolding it is quick, and suddenly you have a surprisingly spacious bag ready to go. It's made from 100% polyester, which keeps it lightweight, but also seems reasonably durable. It feels like it can handle a decent amount of weight without ripping, which is reassuring. The material also makes it easy to clean. A quick wipe is usually enough to get rid of any dirt or spills, which is a big plus for a bag that's likely to be used on the go. The bag is marketed as multi-purpose, and it lives up to that claim. It works well as a shopping bag, helping you avoid those pesky plastic bags. It's also suitable as a gym bag, a shoe bag, or even a small overnight bag. It's not going to replace a full-size travel bag, but for short trips or carrying extra items, it's perfect. One minor downside is that it doesn't have any internal pockets or compartments. It's just one big open space. This might not be a problem for everyone, but it does mean things can get a bit disorganized if you're carrying a lot of small items. Overall, the Travel Blue Folding Large Backpack is a handy and versatile accessory. Its compact size when folded makes it easy to carry around, and its surprising spaciousness when unfolded makes it incredibly useful. If you often find yourself needing extra carrying capacity, this bag is definitely worth considering. It's a simple, effective solution for on-the-go needs.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.